how to perform a post-season operational data cleanup and what the post-season operational data cleanup does with ControlPro. Uh, the post-season operational data cleanup in ControlPro basically gives you a clean slate to start a season with. So we would advise only doing a postseason operational data cleanup between seasons, right before a season begins, or if you don't really have seasons, when you have the fewest number of tickets assigned, or open tickets, excuse me, if you have the fewest number of open tickets. Because the postseason operational data cleanup does clean out all tickets, open, completed, or canceled tickets. And it also removes all unused items in Control Pro. So if I open up a party search, we see Captain America is unchecked as used, as well as Hulk is unchecked. So when we perform that postseason operational data cleanup, those particular drivers will be removed from the system because Control Pro assumes when you're performing that postseason operational data cleanup that if they are not used at that time, then they will no longer be used. So if you do not want to lose anybody that is checked as or unchecked as used, make sure you recheck them. And then we can see up here how I have 349 tickets. So if I do my search, we see 349, all sorts of tickets in here. So I'll move some of these out of the way. And I've got my data export window open over here as well, where Control Pro will automatically generate a backup over here prior to doing that postseason operational data cleanup. As with quite a few administrator functions of Control Pro, you're going to want to make sure that you are logged in as an administrator, and we can see what level we are logged in as down here in the lower right-hand corner of the home screen. To do our postseason operational data cleanup, we're going to go to Tools, Administrator, and Manage Data. Within the Manage Data, here's a few other data options. The one we are looking for is the Postseason Operational Data Cleanup, and it will come up with just a warning, making sure that you are aware of what you're about to do, letting you know it's going to completely remove tickets and any unused materials from the database. All interface files will also be deleted. A backup file will be created in the export directory, which is right here. This action is irreversible. Would you like to proceed with the cleanup? It is irreversible, but by creating that backup, it does allow Murray Equipment access to that information upon your request. If you absolutely have to get that back, you can call us. We can pull that information back into our office and retrieve that information for you. So we'll click yes. We'll move. I can't move that window until it's complete. But we'll see that all of these tickets are going to be removed, and we'll see Captain America and Hulk will have disappeared from our party searches as soon as this is complete. So there we go. We'll move this window. We see that we now have no tickets on our system, and Captain America and Hulk has disappeared from our search screen. So if you have any questions, and excuse me, before we end this, and we see we do have this backup right over here. So if you do have any questions on how to perform a postseason operational data cleanup, please give us a call in the office, and we will answer any questions you have. And for the meantime, this is our only way of kind of doing a mass cleanup or an archive of information. We are working on um, a, a better archiving tool, but it won't be available for quite a while because of the rewrite of the data in the background. So, but if you do have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for checking out this video on how to perform the post-season operational data cleanup of ControlPro.